Hey everyone, I'm Nikhil from DataSpeaks. Today we wanted to share how we took a scattered manual design process and transformed it into a seamless all-in-one staging experience that feels like magic. Our customer manages staging business and they were creating room designs switching between multiple tools. They used Canva to make room designs, manually pulled memes from different sources, cross-checked those with their inventory, and then sent endless emails to share designs, discuss products, collect feedback, and finally send out a quote. It was time consuming, error prone, and frankly exhausting. They needed a way to bring all of this together into one seamless collaborative experience. So, we built a custom design module which is like Canva Mini directly into their operations portal. Now, the stager can design a room visually by dragging and dropping furniture and decor using images pulled from their own inventory. We also integrated Unsplash for quickly addressing big stock images and made it simple to upload assets. Let's see in quick action. As they build the layout, the system automatically captures each product added, linking it with real SKUs, pricing, and availability. Quantities can be added or adjusted right there on the application, and pricing updates instantly. Once the design is ready, it can be shared with the client with a single click. Clients view the design in a beautiful interface, all communication integrated seamlessly, like leaving comments on specific items, suggesting edits, pricing, and terms discussion, etc. Once everything is finalized, the system generates a quote automatically with all product details and pricing built in. No switching tools, no broken email threads. Just a unified design to approval workflow that saves time, improves accuracy, and creates a much smoother client experience. And the best part, it's completely custom built exactly for how they work using React, Konva, and .NET on the backend, tightly integrated with their inventory project and CRM modules. If you're looking to streamline your business with custom web or mobile applications, or want to build powerful automations that save time and scale with your growth, let's connect. We are DataSpeaks Services and we build software that works the way you do.